Hey, so if you're dealing with frozen payouts, unanswered support tickets, and fake stream accusations from TooLost, you're not alone. After a year on the platform, they completely stopped paying me and stopped communication. But while they ignore my emails, I'm taking this public. Today, we're going to show you how to take your music off TooLost and onto CD Baby. And at the end of this video, I'll also show you how to file a complaint to the Attorney General against TooLost. The reason you need to do this is because Attorney General complaints bypass frontline customer service and go straight to the company's legal team. So, if this has happened to you and you want to get off TooLost, watch this video. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Okay, so try to follow along. This is the TooLost.com dashboard. You're probably familiar with this. This is where all your releases are. Today I'm going to be removing this motivational speech by I Am by Daniel Penley. I'm a label. I have a bunch of different artists on my label, and this is someone that we are trying to migrate a single track, not an album, from TooLost to CD Baby. This is the UPC number. That's important. The original release date is important. The album art is important. All these things have to match up when we move over to CD Baby. Today we're going to click download. We're going to download this image that we used this last time, and it's important because we want to use the same image that's going on CD Baby that was currently distributed on TooLost. Now, you don't care about this catalog number from TooLost because, well, we're leaving TooLost, so it doesn't matter. What is important is if we scroll all the way down, you'll see right here under details, it's a very, very small little button on the bottom right. You're going to click on that, and we're going to go between these two pages. So this is the ISRC. This number is super important because we need to have that match with the same number that we upload on CD Baby. Now you have a couple different options for your audio file and your MP3 and WAV. So what you want to do is you want to download either the FLAC, or you can download an MP3 or WAV and it will pop up in your notifications tab right here. But let's go ahead, and since we already got our album art and we already got our FLAC, let's go ahead and upload it onto CD Baby. So we're going to go on our dashboard, we're going to click add new release. We're going to click one track single. This is a one-time payment of $9.99. We're going to add the artist. Now this is where a lot of people, they might mess up, and I think it's very important to learn this. And it's as simple as highlighting and copying pasting. Just like if you're going to send someone, a Bitcoin address or something, you really want to make sure that everything matches up from the title to the artist name, and you don't want to change anything in between, because any little change could defer Spotify from bringing over your original streams and your saves and all your follows that you've got from it. You want to bring all this data as much as possible over onto the new release. So for us, that's CD Baby. But we also can use other ones. Like if you're interested in releasing music on what am I trying to say? TuneCore or other distribution companies like DistroKid, go ahead and just follow me now, because I will go ahead and show you how to do this all on my channel. I've been doing it for a long time. So yeah, you're gonna go and just copy and paste just everything that you've seen. December 14th, 2020 is when it came out. Record label is optional, but if you do have one that you put in there, try to put that one. This is important right here. This is super important. It's the UPC. You do not want to mess this one up. It even has a copy link right there. So you want to copy that and you want to paste it into there. This is super important. Next, you're going to click pay later. Do not save to cart. You want to click pay later. Next part. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but over there I wrote the artist name wrong. See, that's how crazy it is. If you miss one little thing wrong, you have to fix it. You literally cannot have that wrong. This is super important. Now you're going to choose your genre, what kind of music it is, and all that fun stuff. So whatever, if you have hip hop or whatever it is, you want to add your own little style to it. And I honestly don't really notice a difference when I do this. I think this is more for honestly, this is more for CD Baby. CD Baby kind of just this is just for them to kind of put in their own background, but I've never really noticed a difference on my streams. Like this location and stuff, like this doesn't mean anything. Like you can just put whatever, even optional, all this stuff. Never had to put anything because it didn't matter, never even did anything. So yes, who's on this track? Is it just Daniel Penley? Is there more than one artist? Does it contain, you know, explicit lyrics? What's the lyrics in? Is it in English? Is it in this? Is it in that? You know, you want to put it, all this information. Did you create this yourself? Is this a cover song? Is this public domain? These are all important informations that you need to put down. Who created this track, right? So you got to put all this information down. And then, do you have a publisher? Are you with ASCAP, BMI, any of these? If you're not, put no. If you have that, put yes. So you own 100% of the song, right? Now here's the second super important part. I have my own ISRC. Okay, what you want to do is you want to go to that little details panel on the bottom right, and you want to find that ISRC. It's super important that that number matches up with this one. If you don't, you're going to lose your streams, you're going to lose your saves, and it's going to jump out of the algorithm. Now, this is super important too. Do you have different accounts? Do you have someone with the same band name as you? You want to make sure that you have the same Spotify linked up to yours, the same Apple Music, the same YouTube Music. If it's not uploaded to the right place, then you're going to go and send notifications to all your followers. They're not going to find it because you uploaded on the wrong platform. You want to make sure that those links are correct. Now, another thing is, like, can you opt out for monetization on TikTok, on YouTube, on Facebook? This is all important. You can't be doing this if you have sampled songs, sampled things that you don't own. If you don't own it, don't click this, because you just, trust me, you don't want the headache. So yes, I own that. Okay, I want it monetized. Here's for TikTok. You want it to go viral on your chorus, put in when your chorus is. What hour, what minute, and what second does it come in? For me, it doesn't matter. Just for first 60 seconds is fine. So this is another upsell right here, CD Boost. They'll collect all your royalties for you on that. It's $40. I don't think so. That's a lot of money. So here we're gonna upload our where's our where'd it go? Where our image was. So our image has got to be 3000 by 3000. If you're getting errors right here, make sure you have the right dimensions and that you're following instructions. If you need help below, you can write a comment below. I'll try to help you out as best I possibly can. So we're going to add our FLAC file. And sometimes CD Baby gives us problems, but if we follow these directions, we should be good. Sometimes TooLost gives us crappy files and we have to change those files. Like right now, it didn't work. So if we downloaded the FLAC format and it didn't work, what we can do is do FLAC to Wave Converter online. You can use any one of the top free sites. You're going to go and upload it to there, convert it. You're going to download the WAV file, and we're going to re-upload it onto CD Baby. So if you have any issues like that, you can always do this. This won't mess up your songs. This will keep the same format, and it works for me all the time. So let's go ahead and re-upload our file to the WAV file. Let's let it load. Give it a second. Okay, track has been uploaded. It looks like it's good to go. We're going to go to the next part. And you think, just want to double check, you want to look at all this stuff. You think, say, pay now, finish later. We don't want to click that button. We need to click is service agreements. We're going to go click I agree, type in our name, and that we agree to their terms and services. And now we're going to go and click right here. It's going to pop up and it's going to say add to cart. We're going to click that. Yes, I'm ready. I like to use, first it's going to ask you, hey, do you want to be in front of the line? You want to skip the line for $29.99? I say no, but if you really need to get your track up as fast as possible, that's an option as well too. You can pay with credit, debit. I like to use PayPal. It just, for me, it's easier, it goes faster. It's just what I like to use, but it's all up to you as well too. Okay, so now that we're paying it, when we officially did it, we will see on the top right hand corner, it will show us that our confirmation number. That's how we know we successfully transferred our song from TooLost to CD Baby and paid for it. Now, before you go and take this down, you do not want to take this track down yet, not just yet. What you want to wait for is you want to wait for Spotify. So you're going to go to your Spotify web player and you're going to look at this every single day. This is important. You will want to do this. Trust me. You're going to want to
always say I am.
You're going to want to go here and look until you see this song twice. You're gonna wanna see that song twice. It might show up in your discography, it might show up here, but you want to look for this song to show up twice on Spotify. Once it's shown up and that it has successfully gone through, you're going to go back to TooLost and you're going to click takedown release. That's very important. And that is the correct way on how you can transfer from TooLost to CD Baby. All right, and lastly, I wanted to show you how to file a complaint with the Attorney General. This is only if TooLost has stopped holding your money, if you're being withheld payments. You're gonna go to oag.ca.gov, and you're going to click on the bottom right here, consumer information. You're going to click consumer complaint form. You're gonna go down, you're gonna fill out your information, your email address, your phone number, and then you're gonna put in TooLost business information. Now I have that on screen for you right now. You can copy this and you're gonna copy and paste this information into these boxes right here in the website. You're gonna say how much they owe you, and you're gonna give a brief description, and you're gonna go and say, hey, have you contacted the company about this? Which we've all sent them emails and they don't respond to us. Do you have a lawyer? You're gonna click no if you don't. Do you wanna upload supporting documents? Yes, you can show them your earnings reports or the screenshots or money owed to you. You're gonna answer some basic questions. Are you 65 years or older? Are you in the military? All these things. It's a really kind of small form, but then you click I'm not a robot and submit, and that's how you're going to have your best chance to get your money paid out if they're holding money from you guys. Well, I appreciate you watching the video. I hope you learned something. If you need help, just leave a comment below. I'll try to do my best to answer and try to get you guys help. I know it's a struggling time when you're owed money and you've done work, and companies like this are just withholding it from you. It's better to do this now because it usually takes 3 months to get your royalties. Obviously, you guys know that. But if you have any other questions, check out my other YouTube videos. There might be something that might help you along the way on how to get paid, or maybe you're struggling with some customer support issues or anything like that. We have a lot of stuff on this channel that we're going to start releasing a lot more. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like the video so that you can help other people that are dealing with this problem.